All right, wife's away, so I get to play. What's on the agenda for today? Let's have some cooking fun. I think I'm gonna make some chicken. I'll chop it up real fine. Chicken fried rice. This is a Costco chicken I found in the freezer. Throw a little bit of oil in there. So I'm gonna throw the chicken in. I'll mince up an onion. Throw in a bag of corn and fry it up a little bit. And of course, chicken's already cooked. Corn will fry up a little bit. The onion, that will be minced in this little contraption here. And depends on how much chicken I want to throw in there. A little bit of seasoning, garlic, salt, pepper. And when all that's in there, then I'll throw in a cup of rice, 2 cups of water, and let it boil and simmer. It's going to be delicious, folks. Stay tuned. All right, chicken fried rice. Here's threw corn in there, chicken, and onion. I'm just frying it up. Only spices I put in there were pepper and garlic salt. Now get the rice going. 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. I'll mix it all together. Then I'll put it back in the frying pan and fry it up. Chicken fried rice. Can't beat it. Thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. Quick and easy. This doesn't take long. And then you got a meal for days. All right, took some of the corn, chicken, and onion, threw it in 2 cups of water, and I threw a cup of rice in there. Mix it up a little bit. I could throw it all in there. Eventually, I'll bounce it between back and forth. It's gonna be delicious, folks. Quick and easy chicken and rice. Chicken fried rice. And I put it back in the frying pan. Cooking's not hard. Just eat what you cook. It's fast, fun, enjoyable. Just make sure you exercise a lot because you don't want to get overweight. Shortens your life. Thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. What do you think? All right, that's the final product. Now what I'll do is taste it. Fabulous. I'll throw a little bit of oil in the frying pan. And there's no right or wrong with cooking, folks. A little bit of oil. Turn it back on. A couple scoops. Let's fry up the rice a little bit. Now, if you bought this at a Chinese restaurant, you can't go anywhere. Even McDonald's is 20 bucks, easy. Every meal's $20 nowadays. You're gonna get a whole lot less chicken. You get a lot more rice. But can't beat it. Thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Would you eat it? My wife says I only cook dog food. At least I eat what I cook. Can't go wrong with stuff you like to eat.